Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve you can't add friends on 8 ball poll. To know how to fix or to solve you can't add friends on 8 ball poll, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will enter to 8 ball poll. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop, then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.